10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All right, welcome. Happy Thursday, everybody. Boy, Thanksgiving is like next week in 1 week. But I want to fill everyone in. We had not a lot going on this post-verdict with the NAR and all these defendants' brokerages. Not as of this week, but I want to just go into the NAR president just made an video appearance. I want to talk about that, and we'll cover maybe a couple more things right after this. Soon to be holidays, everybody. So not a lot's been going on pertaining to the Case of Burnett case. We had a second lawsuit that happened last week, which I knew was going to happen. Up in on the buyer side, buyers now are suing the NAR and a number of brokerages. We talked about that in last week's podcast. So today, I just want to fill you in. We had the president of the National Association of Realtors, Tracy Casper, made a public appearance on video. I want to share that with you about her thoughts and feelings of the verdict, her disappointment. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. This is on the NAR's website, and I'm going to go ahead and start that now. So this is Tracy Casper. She is the president. I think the thing is, I'm going to start at about 2 minutes in. A lot of it's just redundant, but I want to point out a couple key points here.
As we have said previously, this is a very long legal process. We plan to appeal the verdict. In the meantime, as that process proceeds, the plaintiffs in Missouri may ask the court to issue an order that changes the rules about cooperative compensation. There are other legal actions pending, and we may see additional plaintiffs come forward to make similar allegations in new cases. In short, we are in the midst of a very complex legal situation, and we are working around the clock to evaluate the situation and get the very best advice about a path forward. I know a lot of us are wondering, what does all of this mean for our businesses and how we serve our clients? And I understand your feelings. At this point, we don't have all the answers about how the future will play out. But what I can do is offer guidance to help you as you continue to do business and to take care of your clients. As always, it is critical to maximize transparency with your clients about their choices and your terms. Use your agreements with your buyer and your sellers to help them understand exactly what services and value you're going to provide to them. Continue to express that commissions are negotiable and set between you, their broker, and themselves.
All right. Well, pretty clear that, and we talked about it last week. This is ongoing. Is it going to change the industry? I don't know. Just like Tracy said, they don't have all the answers. I can tell you the National Association of Realtors, as of last week, I think, is coming up with new ethics, code of ethics, which I think that's probably going to be part of the class action lawsuit that they're going to, and I mentioned earlier, maybe new disclosures, maybe something along that lines. But we don't know yet. Do I think the whole real estate industry that's going to collapse? No, I not at all. People need people when they sell their homes and things like that. They need human beings, not AI and things like that. We've had a lot of brokerages that try to go that route, to try to do stuff more streamlined, virtual and things, but that doesn't work. People, they want to, I always call real estate agents are equivalent to a doctor. You wouldn't have some sort of AI streamlined process to delivering a baby. Right. So just like when you sell a home, that's probably the second or third most important thing that you'll ever do in your life. So, but this is going to be a long drug out battle. it's gonna take years before. Will there be some sort of change and reform? Probably. It's probably going to be different disclosures. We're going to probably have disclosures saying that all um, everything's negotiable now. Maybe it'll be in the fine print buried somewhere. But I thought it was interesting. She made it really clear. This is not going away. They're going to fight it to the ends of the earth. This is going to be Tracy said, it's going to be a long drug out battle. There is a number of brokerages that are part of the class action lawsuit. It was mirrored with the firm that did the first one in Missouri. It's completely mirrored what's going on in Illinois. So if you work for one of those brokerages, I think the worst thing is guilty or innocent, it's going to be a huge expense of resources, financial time, fighting this out. I think that's what the thing that's going to really hurt brokerages that are involved in this case is the amount of legal fees and things, and resources that's going to be tied up in court, and how that's going to affect the brokerages and how they serve their agents. Because win or lose or draw, the only people that win in those class action drug out lawsuits and appeals is attorneys. That's how it goes. It's always been that way. But just wanted to share that with you. And if you had any questions about the official statement from NAR President Tracy Casper, I think she said it right. You can find it on the NAR's website. Check it out. Nothing's changed since then. Obviously, the NAR is very disappointed, and they're going to keep fighting it out. So, if you follow, like, and subscribe on the channel, because I will keep you up to date. There's a lot of information out there, but I'm going to break it down to you in very simple terms. So that's the most updated on the NAR case. Make sure you like and subscribe. Facebook, YouTube. We have a series of if you want to see going back to how this all started and who the culprits were, go ahead and check the playlist on this on YouTube as well. So have a great rest of your week, everybody. Maybe I'll see you next week, depending on what's going on with this case. Probably not, since it's Thanksgiving. So goodbye, everybody.